In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off voice guide on your Samsung Smart TV. So you can see at the moment, if I try and move across anything on my television, we get this annoying parrot effect that's playing the voice back to us. So in order to disable this and turn it off, what we need to do is just grab your television remote and we're going to press the home button located in the center here. Now, if you do have a different television remote, then this button might be located somewhere different, but it's just this home symbol here, and this will bring up the Samsung home screen. Now, from this menu at the bottom, we just need to come all the way across to the left and select settings. And this is going to bring up the settings menu, then scroll down and come inside of the general tab. Use the right arrow key to come across to accessibility. Press OK on your TV remote, which is this middle button here. And as you can see right at the top, we have voice guide settings, and currently this is turned on. So all you need to do is just press OK on your TV remote. Click on OK again to disable this option. So that will remove the checkbox from the voice guide. And then if we just come back out of here, you can see now that that's successfully turned off the voice guide. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.